situation here is pretty gross. But anyway, hopefully this ain't gonna be too long. We're gonna make a move right now. There we go. Part of the dues you gotta pay. Places like this. Oh yeah, that's what we're talking about. There you go. That's what it's like in this part of the world. You gotta be super aggressive with it. The Buddha once said that our greatest mistake is that we think we have time. I think that has a lot to do with why I'm so impatient, especially in traffic. It almost feels like the universe is trapping me because it wants me to slow down. And that's exactly what I don't want to do. I like movement. Well, actually, I love movement. Movement makes me feel free of anything. I love to dance, I love to mountain bike, I love to rock climb, and I love riding my adventure bike through places that I know most people will never have the privilege of experiencing. One of my 5 core values is freedom, and nothing screams freedom more than a motorcycle, and large adventure bikes take it to a whole other level. My KTM 1290 Super Adventure R really lives up to its name. When I'm on it, I know that there's no other machine in the world more capable of taking me to the wildest, roughest, and most remote places. After 2 months in Mexico, 10 days in Belize, and 3.5 weeks in Guatemala, my passion and thirst for adventure has been more than satiated. Can't wait to see what El Salvador holds. So got a little bit of waiting to do here at the Guatemalan border, getting into El Salvador. They say it's gonna be super chill. I just spoke to the military guys here and they're like, yeah, don't worry. I mean, it's as long as you got everything in your name, you're gonna be fine. But looks like I'm gonna have to stand in this heat for a little bit, so I'm gonna grab a hat here so I don't fry too bad. 35 Celsius, 98 Fahrenheit. It is hot as hell here, baking in the sun. Already feel a little dehydrated, so I'm just kind of like hanging out here by this guy's truck, enjoying a little bit of shade. Getting so close. Buenos días. Ay, muchísimas gracias. Ahorita voy directamente al icon. Okay. Hasta. Okay. Gracias. That was pretty chill. Now I gotta find the immigration for El Salvador, and hopefully it's gonna be a smooth. That would have literally taken like 5 minutes had it not been for that hour-long line. La inmigración por El Salvador está adelante. Gracias. Hola, ¿dónde es? Aquí. ¿Cómo va tu día?
¿Todo bien?
Sí, excelente.
¿Pase con aduana?
Ok, por allá, gracias.
Sí.
Ok, muy bien, gracias. Gracias. That's so friendly, man. This is like one of my favorite border crossings on the planet so far. Gotta fill out this little form here. Ok, gracias. Sí, son 250 con serían 350 más o menos. ¿El estilo? 1290 Super Aventura. 1290 Super Aventura. Sí. That's so funny. Had I not asked about the stamp, I might have been in the country illegally. Hola, buenos días, ¿cómo estás? ¿Cómo va su día?
Buenos días. Solo que no se puede grabar.
Ah, no se puede? No. Okay. Yeah, that was not bad at all. Super chill. They just wanted a little ticket that I couldn't find, and then of course I found it and buried in one of my pants pockets. The sad thing is they didn't stamp my passport, so I didn't get the El Salvador stamp, so no one's ever gonna know I was actually here. It's like I'm not really here. It's like to be here in El Salvador. My first impressions are that the people are very nice, very friendly, very cordial. Wow, I think I gotta stop here by the cops. Nope, gotta go back. Hopefully it's not a situation. arriba? No hay problema. Aquí tengo todo.
Bonita moto.
Ah, ¿te gusta?
Sí.
Es una cosa. ¿Qué quieres ver, no?
Es el documento del viaje que lleva. ¿Hacia dónde va?
¿A ese?
No.
Eso es para entrar en Centroamérica.
Y el que selló aduana de aquí.
¿El pasaporte?
No, el documento de este.
Ah, ok, bueno, está todo aquí. Sería esta, posiblemente esta.
Dice Aribo. Este tiene que mostrar a la policía y en la aduana.
Cuando pasa, ok, muy bien. Ok.
Por la aduana donde pase,
Ah,
este
ok.
tiene que mostrar.
Ok, siempre. Aquí hay muchas aduanas aquí.
¿Hasta dónde va?
Bueno, en 10 días me voy a Honduras.
Honduras.
Sí.
En el Amatillo. Esa aduana, ahí tiene que presentar eso.
Ah, ok, excelente.
Ahí estamos.
Ok, muy bien, gracias, igualmente. ¿Todo bien? Oye, ¿estás bien? ¿Está bien? ¿Todo bien? ¿Hay ayuda que viene? ¿Hay ayuda que viene o no? Ok, bueno. Ahí está. Seemed okay. Mike was pretty tough. I don't know what happened. He wasn't wearing any helmet, no pads. Seemed totally fine, like a little bit beat up. It's like one of my regular days mountain biking. I'm on the Ruta de Flores. So far, the road has been absolutely amazing. Beautiful, twisty turns through the hills. Flowers everywhere here. Very pretty. Temps are down to 23 Celsius, 74 Fahrenheit. Absolutely perfect compared to that 32 degrees, 102 that I was experiencing earlier today. I mean, it's a really nice change. Almost chilly, which is a beautiful thing. And we're up in the highlands here. This is one of the highest places in El Salvador. So a lot of fog, mist. I'm not gonna lie, I had reservations about coming to El Salvador. I'd heard horror stories and everyone I knew was telling me, don't go, you're gonna die there. Seems like the media is so intent on perpetuating the exceptionalist myth that America is better and safer than everywhere else. But I stopped listening to that long time ago, especially to the people that keep telling me not to go to places that they themselves have never been to. Although I've only been in the country for a couple hours, I can already tell I'm going to like this place a lot. The people so far have been very friendly, and the roads are just amazing. So much better than the ones in Guatemala. And that doesn't just make riding more pleasant, it makes it a lot safer. Yeah, it's good to be here.